Hello guys, now welcome to my channel. Yes, so Benji Tech now here with you. So you see that cheap data we did down? Fine, it makes sense. Now wetin we go talk about how to do now. No rush, do am sharp sharp. No first go dial am now like this. Star 312. Now wetin we go type? Hash. So when you type am for any network, the one wey I dey sure about na MTN and Airtel. So make we go MTN first, make we see am. So now if you go down, you can select data plan. You select and you come find something wey dey talk about always on. This always on wey dey 5, you try select am. But sometimes if you no fit see that always on here, you come go something like next. Whether na start, they go tell you make you press all this kind of thing. So if you press am, you come open, you come see always on. So make we click 5 before e expire. Always on. So always on don work now. Always on is 6,000 naira for 45 gig. So every day you go dey use 1.5 gig. This plan is the best because e go even make you no even spend much data sef. Because money wey person dey spend data spend every time, e no easy. So now if we are having 6,000 for 45 gig, make we calculate how many per day and how many MTN go give you. I don even run the calculation sef. For 30 days, MTN is going to only allow you 1.5 gig. If this 1.5 gig you no fit finish am for a day, e go roll over to the next day, may even use more. So if you no use 1.5 gig for a day, it go roll over the next day, you can use something around 3 gig. So it really makes sense. This plan are the best plan, and it dey even cheap and affordable. E come from the MTN direct side, no be cheat this time. Na better plan. Yeah, it's very very cheap. So abeg guys, make we rush am, make we rush am, make we use am. It go really make sense if we use this opportunity wey MTN don give us. Although most of us no even get trust for MTN, no matter, but na so e be. Na so e be. So maybe rush am. Okay, maybe we even see. Okay, yes, we'll see 6,000 divided by 45. So 1 gig sef, if you want calculate 1 gig now, 1 gig, you're getting 1 gig for around 133 naira. 133 naira. This one, it makes sense because to even see 1 gig sef, most of the time they will charge you 2,000, some 200 naira for 1 gig, or sometimes you even they see 300. But this one is not. This one is not. So I now update sef dey load. May I show now for my email. So a new video. Okay, I'll show you. See here. See the update to see am. You see am? So now the next update they load. Abeg guys, make we stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do this one step by step. Step by step. Okay, now later.